I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes soft. Achieving fluffy, tender pancakes is simpler than you might think. The key lies in a few fundamental steps, starting with your ingredients. Ensure they are fresh, especially your leavening agents. Next, resist the urge to overmix your batter. A few lumps are perfectly acceptable. Finally, allow your batter to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before cooking. Certain ingredients are crucial for achieving that desired softness. Buttermilk, for instance, reacts with baking soda to produce carbon dioxide, creating a light texture. If you do not have buttermilk, you can make a substitute with milk and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar. Baking powder also provides lift, while melted butter adds a rich flavor and keeps the pancakes moist and tender. Proper mixing and resting are vital for soft pancakes. First, combine your dry ingredients thoroughly in one bowl and your wet ingredients in another. Then, gently fold the wet into the dry until just combined. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to tough pancakes. Allowing the batter to rest for 10 to 15 minutes lets the flour fully hydrate and the gluten relax, resulting in a more tender crumb. The cooking process also plays a significant role in pancake softness. Heat your griddle to a medium-low temperature, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set, typically 2 to 3 minutes. Flip once and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Avoid pressing them down as this deflates them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.